Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef fried rice. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including day-old rice, thinly sliced beef, and your favorite vegetables like peas and carrots. Marinate your beef with a simple mixture of soy sauce, cornstarch, and a hint of sesame oil to tenderize it and add flavor. Next, heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat, ensuring it's smoking hot before adding any oil. Once your wok is hot, add a tablespoon of oil and quickly sear the marinated beef until it's just cooked through, about 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the beef from the wok and set it aside. Now, add a bit more oil and stir-fry your vegetables, such as diced onions, carrots, and peas, until they are crisp tender. Finally, push the vegetables to one side and add minced garlic and ginger to the empty space, cooking until fragrant. Now it's time for the star of the show, the rice. Add your day-old rice to the wok, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in your prepared sauce, a delicious blend of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of sugar, ensuring it coats all the rice evenly. Return the seared beef to the wok, along with any other cooked ingredients, and toss everything together vigorously until it's all beautifully combined and heated through. To finish, garnish your freshly made beef fried rice with a generous sprinkle of chopped green onions and a final drizzle of sesame oil for an extra layer of aroma. Serve it immediately, ensuring everyone enjoys it while it's piping hot and the flavors are at their peak. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or feeding a crowd. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help with your kitchen cleanup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.